Is watching a movie at home better than watching a movie at the cinema? It is better to watch movies at home because the comfort of being in your own home is not fair for white money. It is a reality. For example, if you want to start the movie, you can do it perfectly to cook sometimes or go to the bathroom, not at the cinema. Also, a sofa will always be a better movie companion than a seat at the cinema. However, the great disadvantage is the invention that move with made in television and in sound sounds that the experience is similar to the of the cinema. Goodbye, see you later. Bye bye.